So you can't come to Jamaica without trying jack chicken or jack pork. Man, then you didn't come to Jamaica. You've been doing this for long?
Yeah.
How many years?
I do this more than 20 years.
Ooh.
Nah, sell my soul to no devil. Nah, play them game cause the ball wrong real. No for sell out, forget album deal. Just to rise and keep a brother in the mud. Selling your soul, sign your name in the blood. Can't help it.
The pork off here, okay. Is it onion? It's onion. Scallion, okay.
Scallion, yeah. What do you want here?
So we're about to jack chicken and pork together, and this is the seasoning. Okay, so you have ginger, onion, garlic, and all those seasoning. Over here too, we have the spices here. Yeah. Okay.
Jerk season.
Jerk season, okay. Fresh ones over here. Fresh pepper, tomatoes, everything. So you can't come to Jamaica without trying jack chicken or jack pork. Man, then you didn't come to Jamaica. So this is St. Thomas and Rocky. It's a jack master over here, and that's what he does, okay. Okay.
We're going to put this in here.
Okay. What's it called? Pepper leaf?
Pepperella.
Pepperella, okay. Okay.
In the world and lose his own soul. Boya, boya, boy. Boya, boya, boy. DJ Nature, Africa wait his creator.
Okay. So you need all this leaf to do the pork jack. You can't do pork jack without all this seasoning.
My level, now me no afraid of boy.
The pepperella?
Yeah, pepperella.
Yes.
Okay. So all these flavors. Now, wow. Look at this. Wow.
Nah, sell my soul to no devil. Nah, play them game cause the ball wrong real. No.
This gives the color to the jerk.
Put it there on the jerk season.
It's got brown.
Maggi.
Wow.
Some Maggi all purpose.
Man, the aroma coming out.
Good. And we have the jerk season now.
Is the jerk season? Okay. Now mix everything together. The leaves and everything. The blended ingredients, spices.
Yeah.
Like that. Before a rich man enter in a Zion, some highlands not do no evil. Me still a yell conquering lion. I'm not afraid to be poor.
Man, this pot is full of aroma. Full of aroma. And since it's pork and chicken, you need to have the flavor in it. Okay, you can't just chew meat without flavor in it. So that's what he's doing. Mixing everything together, making sure they have the right. So the brown one has changed everything to that. Wow.
You see?
The brown one has changed everything together. Wow.
I want to come over.
Salt at the need to it.
So we add some salt to it.
Yeah,
Alright?
to get taste.
I think about jerk pork. The pork now.
Dip in the pork inside, make sure you marinate it as well.
So you see all this now. That's all this one now.
Okay.
Yeah, just catch up a fire, put it on, and we'll get like half hour.
Half hour, okay.
Based on the nature of the pork.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Yeah, so basically this is how the jack pork is done. Everything's been marinated over here, and very soon you put on fire for 30 minutes and to text if it's okay or not.
Before a rich man enter in a Zion, some highlands not do no evil. Me still a yell conquering lion. I'm not afraid to be poor.
So the difference between this and that is that this has the leaves, the fresh leaves.
Alright, the only leaf going on this one is the pimento.
Yeah, okay.
We're not going to put the giant leaf, which is the pepperella.
Okay.
Understand? It's a pimento leaf.
You accept my level, now me not afraid of boy. Now sell my soul to no devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky to be.
The season already has started.
Yeah.
We don't want to overpower it. And then like how this for fresh jerk season, all they have to do is get like probably 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you go to go.
Let your stuff, no? Let your head. Mix it together. Yeah, so we're waiting for 15 minutes for marinate a bit, then yeah, it is what it is. So we have a chicken on fire. It's fire blazing up. And we have the pork on fire too. We're boiling it first. This is how it looks like. So boiling like this, infuse and marinate it very well. Man, it's crazy how the thing is being done. This is special treatment, you know.
Drive new Jeep and a ton blue piece. Whatever you sow, then I eat you reap. Weep you a weep as you're in too deep. Why you want to walk before you creep? Money made you a freak. How you sleep? Time to separate the goat from the sheep. Rasta laws you fi keep. I'm not afraid people. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of all. Now sell me soul to no devil. Well, I say no one can serve two masters.
Okay, so interesting. You feel the beer aroma of the beer inside. Yeah. You've been doing this for long?
Yeah.
How many years?
I do this more than 20 years.
Ooh. Wow.
Me in that community 20 years old.
Yeah, okay.
From born and grown.
Wow.
I mean, I did it before I come here. I roughly I did like 25 years to be exact.
What's that?
Wow.
Something like that, but you know.
So it's time to grill the pork. So it's been like 1 hour on the fire boiling with all the seasoning. No.
No, compared to one jar.
So this is a chicken and the blender is
You need any else on it?
yeah, very little. So this is hot pepper. Okay.
Right now is up pepper man.
Okay.
You go and get the ketchup.
No, I'm cool with the ketchup. Man, this is full of aroma and spices because the seasoning that went inside is amazing. That's why you call about Jamaican jerk. See? Nicely done, no?
Yeah.
So you can't come to Jamaica without trying one of these. Man, this is one of the the street food.
Yes.
Yeah, so street food, like one king street food in Jamaica. Jerk chicken. And just perfect.
The mess rules. Some person me this sika come my door for and I'm a bushing for our Ghana. May the fat tap sing.
This is here, this is tap. And the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this car coffee na a tap.
Tap send will be out down the app now. Cannot master for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured everywhere. I've never had any.
Tap sing and no one about for you na ya tap sing. Papa no.